children, good morning to all of you. I once again welcome you all to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 2, Topic Bhojan. So children, for the first lesson, there is no question answers or book back exercises. I have given you already the word meanings and the translation of the poem. So just go through it, and now we'll go for the exercises given book back for lesson number 2. So first Roman is your meanings, which is given with each and every slide of the lesson, and here I have given all the meanings once again. Just go through the meanings. The second Roman for you is the question answers. So children, we'll go through the question answers one by one. First question, भोजन हमको क्या देता है? What does the food gives us? The question is, भोजन हमको क्या देता है? What does the food gives us? Answer, भोजन हमको शक्ति और गर्मी देता है. Food gives us strength and heat. The answer is, भोजन हमको शक्ति और गर्मी देता है. Food gives us strength and heat. भोजन हमको क्या देता है? Answer is, भोजन हमको शक्ति और गर्मी देता है. Second question, शरीर के लिए कैसा भोजन आवश्यक है? The question is, for our body, what type of food is important? For our body, what type of food is important? And the answer is, शरीर के लिए अच्छा, ताज़ा और संतुलित भोजन आवश्यक है. For our body, good, fresh and balanced diet is important. So, for our body, good, fresh and balanced diet is important. The question is, शरीर के लिए कैसा भोजन आवश्यक है? Answer is, शरीर के लिए अच्छा, ताज़ा और संतुलित भोजन आवश्यक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हमें स्टार्च कैसे मिलता है? The question is, how does we get starch in our food? Answer is, चावल, गेहूं और बाजरे जैसे अनाजों से हमें स्टार्च मिलता है. The answer is, we get starch from some cereals like rice, wheat and bajra. So the question is, हमें starch कैसे मिलता है? How does we get the starch in our food? Answer is, चावल, गेहूं और बाजरे जैसे अनाजों से हमें starch मिलता है. We get starch from cereals like rice, wheat and bajra. The next question is, तेल और घी से हमें क्या मिलता है? What does we get from oil and ghee? The answer is, तेल और घी से हमें शक्ति और गर्मी मिलता है. The answer is, from oil and ghee we get strength and heat. तेल और घी से हमें क्या मिलता है? What does we get from oil and ghee? तेल और घी से हमें शक्ति और गर्मी मिलता है. We get strength and heat from oil and ghee. The next question is, हमें शक्ति कैसे मिलती है? How does we get the strength? Next question is, हमें शक्ति कैसे मिलती है? How does we get the strength? Answer, शक्कर, तेल और घी से हमें शक्ति मिलती है. We get strength from sugar, oil and ghee present in our food. So question is, हमें शक्ति कैसे मिलती है? How does we get the strength? And the answer is we get strength from sugar, oil and ghee present in our food. That is शक्कर, तेल और घी से हमें शक्ति मिलती है. The next question is, हमें किन किन सब्जियों को कच्चा खा सकते हैं? What all are the vegetables which we can eat raw? That is without cooking. हम किन किन सब्जियों को कच्चा खा सकते हैं? Which all are the vegetables which we can eat raw without cooking? The answer is हम गाजर, खीरा आदि सब्जियों को कच्चा खा सकते हैं. We can eat vegetables like carrot and cucumber etc. without cooking. Okay children, हम किन किन सब्जियों को कच्चा खा सकते हैं? You can add more, that is we have added etc. You know we can eat more. So I've given here two vegetables, that is carrot and cucumber, which we can eat without cooking. So हम गाजर, खीरा आदि सब्जियों को कच्चा खा सकते हैं. Okay children, so our question answers gets over, and next third Roman is fill in the blanks. See children, there are some words given in red color, so that is your answers for the fill in the blanks. It is underlined also, please check it out, and that are the answers for your fill in the blanks. I'll read it out. First one, starch और शक्कर शरीर के लिए आवश्यक होता है. सेकेंड वन, भोजन से शरीर का विकास होता है. थर्ड वन, भोजन हमको शक्ति और गर्मी प्रदान करता है. फोर्थ वन, सब्जियों में धातु मिश्रित नमक मिलता है. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज चिल्ड्रन, सब्जियों को अच्छे से धोकर खाना चाहिए. सो हियर we finish our fill in the blanks, and we will move on to our fourth Roman, that is match the following. Children, you can check out, the answers are given straight and the answers are given in red color. Okay, so the left hand side is your question and right hand side you can see children, it's your answer. Please check it out and write this all the Romans in a notebook and in a neat handwriting and prepare well. Thank you children.